good people. Yes. We are preparing legislation for you to do what you must do for Kenyans. Asante sana.
And with that, we have the Primary Healthcare Bill 2023, the Facility Improvement Financing Bill 2023.
where we are today is not the achievement of a single person. Very many people have made sacrifices, huge contributions. They have gone out of their way to get us to where we are today. And in a very particular way, let me say that the people of Kenya spoke loudly, unequivocally about their desire for a system or a medical system that leaves nobody behind, where families do not lose their property or their savings because of illness. And I want to say I'm a very proud Kenyan today that working with many people, and they have, many of them have stood here, Turanira there, Mwai, Lea, those people, they have worked with me for the last 2 years. We put this thing together for the campaign. We didn't know that we were going to have it for the laws of Kenya. And they have patiently worked with me, as Susan confessed, in many boardrooms in this building. Before the elections, they worked with me in another place. And then after the elections, they worked with me here. The members of medical fraternity working at the Ministry of Health. Kwanza tuwapigie hawa watu makofi jameni.
Your Excellency, we are in discussion and in Kapkatet yesterday we made a health workforce Kericho declaration. And one of the things that we agreed, Your Excellency, is that in the next 24 months, we are going to have a harmonious working relationship with all the unions so that we ensure that we deliver on universal health coverage. We have many other issues or clauses in the declaration, and we have given ourselves timelines because each one of them must be achieved. The second pillar of universal health coverage is on health commodity security. We have made tremendous effort towards progressing that. While we began with ensuring that we reform Kenya Medical Supplies Authority, and I can confirm to you, the board that we have, the leadership that we have is now on track. And last week on Friday, you yourself witnessed what the team has been able to do. Your Excellency, when we came into office, the fill rate for orders that have been requested by the county governments was at 40%. As we speak today, Your Excellency, I have received feedback from many counties that we are now headed to 70%. And that is how we are working, Your Excellency. We are focusing on local manufacturing. We have brought all of them together, and we are working together to ensure that we achieve that you have given us to achieve. Your Excellency, the third pillar was on technology, that we ensure we leverage on technology to provide healthcare or health services to Kenyans. We have worked very hard. I must acknowledge that that was one of the most difficult pillars, but we have made a headway. That we now are sure that we are going to create a superhighway where all facilities can connect into and be able to provide services. But Your Excellency, the most important bit about the digital bill that we decided, that you have ascended today, is that now as a country and as a sector, we can collect real-time data and use that data to make effective decisions that affect the health of this country. And Your Excellency, again importantly, that now we are going to network facilities into a primary care network. using the digital technology that has been provided. We have worked very well with support from my colleague, CS Owalo, who has ensured that infrastructure has been laid in facilities, and we are now on the second layer of ensuring that we operationalize those facilities, Your Excellency. The fourth and last pillar, Your Excellency, is the one on on health financing. We have made a lot of progress. And today, signing of these bills, the social health bill, Your Excellency, as a woman, as a mother, as somebody with health information or who has been in the sector, this is the day that the doctors say that the mother who is pregnant is quickening. We have started now kicking as a ministry because we know that with the social health bill that you have now ascended into law, we are going to move forward, Your Excellency, because there are 3 funds that we have created in there. The primary health care fund to ensure that the primary level is publicly financed. The social health fund, Your Excellency, for many years, and many Kenyans have given us feedback that they were not able to know what is it that they are covered for. Despite paying 500 shillings, they did not know what their benefit is. We have worked with the team, Your Excellency. Now we are clear on what is the benefit as soon as you make your payment. What is it that you are entitled to?